This is the Moto G62 5G. The latest addition to the Moto G family is all about entertainment, boasting a 6.5-inch screen, with a full HD Plus display for crisp details and bright colors. What's extra impressive is that the G62 5G comes with a fast 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling video and gaming will be extra smooth, with less lag, motion blur or choppiness. It's the same refresh rate found on premium phones such as the iPhone 13 or Samsung Galaxy S22, so it's quite a coup to score this feature at a lower price point. In addition to a great display, the Moto G62 5G also includes extra powerful sound, thanks to the inclusion of Dolby Atmos spatial audio. Combined with the stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos delivers higher volume and a wider sound range. Internally, the Moto G62 5G features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G processor, along with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, plus microSD support. This is around what you'd expect for an upper budget phone, but should deliver a solid performance. The G62 also runs Android 12 out of the box, but Motorola says that customers can only expect one Android update for this device, meaning your OS will max out at Android 13. You'll still get 2 years of security updates, but it's something to be aware of if you're looking to hold on to your device for several years before upgrading. Motorola has included a triple camera setup in back, plus a solitary 16-megapixel camera with quad-pixel technology in front. The rear cameras include a 50-megapixel quad-pixel lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro vision camera for ultra-close shots. Rounding out the Moto G62 5G's key features, the device is loaded with a big 5000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts turbo power charging, which can give you several more hours of life with just a few minutes on the charger. You'll also get face unlock and fingerprint security, a headphone jack, Google Assistant voice control, and 5G connectivity for ultra-fast speeds. In addition to what looks to be some great specs, the Moto G62 5G will also be available to buy on phone plans from Telstra, Optus and Vodafone beginning in August. This makes the G62 5G the first Motorola smartphone to be offered by all three big Aussie telcos in more than 10 years, and gives potential buyers a wider range of plans and purchasing options. So this is a great smartphone to consider. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more videos. Bye for now.